Yeah. I want to make sure everything's done.
You want to make sure you slice it and break it down.
Right. I started to slice that shit and started falling off the bone.
That's what the bone, because the bone is still thick.
Why is this one so hard? And it doesn't stretch out. I don't like this one. What tastes good?
These beans.
Beans. Have you ever had lunch?
You're gonna have to.
At what time? Yeah. What time is it?
2:30. It's
What?
too early to have dinner.
Exactly.
You had to. Okay, the noodles was for dinner. You had a bag of popcorn. What the hell, Skylar?
The noodles were for lunch.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You said dinner.
Oh, sorry. Lunch.
Oh my God, Grandma.
Why did you bring this out? You could have just left that in there.
Can you bring it to me? He's not going to play with it. I mean, like, serious.
So they're going to halftime. 28-14. It's gonna be a high scoring game, Sean.